Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most capable dual sport machines on the market, the new 2026 KTM 690 Enduro. Known for its powerful single-cylinder engine and unmatched versatility, the 690 Enduro has long been the choice for riders who want true off-road performance with on-road practicality. For 2026, KTM refines this legendary platform with sharper styling, improved electronics, and enhanced comfort. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new 690 Enduro more compelling than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro arrives with a refreshed exterior that leans even closer to KTM's rally-inspired design language. The revised LED headlight adds a bold modern touch, while updated body panels create a sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette. New graphics and color combinations give the bike a more aggressive presence, ensuring it stands out whether you're cruising city streets or tackling rugged trails. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 690 Enduro continues to use KTM's proven 693cc single-cylinder LC4 engine, now tuned for smoother power delivery and reduced vibration. The gearbox remains responsive, and ride-by-wire throttle mapping has been updated for improved precision. Suspension refinements through WP components offer better stability at high speeds and more compliance over rocky terrain. Overall weight distribution has also been optimized for better handling both on and off the road. Safety and technology. KTM enhances the tech package with updated rider modes, improved traction control, and cornering ABS for added confidence. The TFT display now features clearer graphics and easier navigation, while improved switchgear makes operation more intuitive. Full LED lighting boosts visibility, and the enhanced electronics suite ensures maximum control across various riding conditions. Conclusion. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro strengthens its position as one of the most capable dual-sport motorcycles available. With sharper design, refined performance, and smarter technology, it remains a top choice for adventure riders who demand power, agility, and true off-road capability. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the machines that matter most.